Alright, Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Chase In. Chase, this is the console that you send in. Obviously, these white shell consoles are all 4 gig Coronas. This one is a later model like V3, V4, because it did require a postfix adapter. We ended up using the Ace V3 with CR4 speedup method on a Corona. Oftentimes we use the default Ace timing file. However, I spent some extra time tweaking on this one because the default Ace timing file didn't perform as well as I would have liked. However, as you can see with that CR4 speedup in there, we were able to get some really nice fast boots for you. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the console. So by default here, it's going to boot up directly into Freestyle Dash. And wow, this screen's like way out of resolution. Give me a second here, we'll move it over for you. So as you can see, the console has started up into Freestyle Dashboard here. Be sure to check out the additional video links that are in the email that you'll receive that has your tracking number, as that has a link to a really useful playlist along with a link to a little quick intro video by me of how to kind of navigate around between these various tools. But just to demonstrate for you real fast, if you go up into the Utilities and File Manager here, you can go down to the hard drive and you can see where Aurora Dash is. There's Dash Launch, and then obviously Freestyle is present since that's where we were when it automatically launched up here. So definitely appreciate your business, and we'll go ahead and get this thing packed up and it will head back your way on Monday. This particular console actually arrived here in the Weekend Modder shop on the 12th. Today is the 18th. So that's 6 straight days. However, it's really only about 4 or 5 business days, not counting the weekend here. So a little bit longer than our normal time frame, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 send-ins that we'll be busting through here as soon as we can for anybody else who's waiting on theirs. So thank you very much, and hope you enjoy.